So now let's look at a cMOS or inverter gate. First we'll construct the nMOS of it. We've got our VDD, we've got our resistor, we've got our nMOS, we've got the input A and the answer Q. Of course we've got a ground here. Construct this in cMOS. We'll construct or replace this resistor with the pMOS. There's our pMOS, there's our nMOS, our input A and our output Q. The truth table, inputs A, output Q. 0 becomes a 1 and a 1 becomes a 0, and the LED will on when Q is equal to 1, else LED off. So that's that part done. Let's go and construct this in Multisim. So in Multisim here, we've got our nMOS NOT gate, and what we're going to do is replace this resistor here with a pull-up network, which is copying the pMOS, Q, P, NOT. We don't need this resistor anymore. Zoom in a little bit. The gate, we'll just delete that for now. The gates are connected up as we saw earlier. And the A signal joins there. Connect this one up. Just make it a little bit tidier. And let's run that one and see if it works. So when very little voltage or 0 is applied to the gates, the LED is on. When the switch is open, a high voltage is applied to the gates and the LED is off. That looks great, so we'll construct that on our breadboard now. So we've constructed everything on our breadboard now. virtual breadboard, and we'll go about and do that now and put it on the actual physical breadboard. I'll open up my camera, make it a little bit bigger. We're mainly working on this area up here. First off, we'll remove this resistor. As I said, we'll replace it with the equivalent pMOS. Right, the problem was I had my pMOS around the wrong way, and also I had a ground in here that I shouldn't have. I've fixed that now. Also, it was generating a bit of heat, believe it or not. So we now got the correct function. So when the button is not pressed, we apply 5 volts at the gate, as you can see there. When we apply the button, 0 volts, and the LED is on. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0, and this is using cMOS. The cMOS NOT gate is here. Run the simulation. When the gate is open, the LED is off, i.e. the button is not pressed. We'll close the gate, the LED is on, and we'll press the button, the LED is on. Thank you very much. What I've done behind the scenes is that I've copied and pasted these with the switch open and the switch closed and put it into my notes. Also, I've drawn the NOT symbol in the equation Q equals to NOT A.